So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this pilling problem that's often on sweaters, leggings. These are Lululemon leggings, which have this problem. And I'm using a tool that costs me about $15. Using my handy dandy pilling remover. It's also a fabric shaver. It's great for couches as well. You just turn it on and go over the pilling spot. And it picks up all those excess pieces of fabric very easily. And it's a really quick fix. You could do this before going out if you have some place to be and you see a little bit of pilling or even lint it picks up. So now I'm going to do this side. You can really see how great it is at picking up the pilling. Sometimes it helps to work in circles. Voila! No more pilling. So on the back of my Lululemon leggings, there were a few spots, so I'm just going to go over those really quickly. And I'll have a link for this tool in the description if you want to buy it. I suggest you do because it is awesome and actually works. And then it helps to put on the item so you can really see anything that you missed. And no, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't really feel like anything. I wouldn't do it over my skin though. I was kind of careful on this part. Oh, missed a spot. And that is it. That's how you remove the pilling on clothing.